How to use Concreit real estate income app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Concreit promises to make real estate investing as simple as saving money, but most beginners get it wrong and miss out on steady returns. Here's how to use it the right way. Concreit lets you invest in a portfolio of income-producing real estate with as little as $1. The catch: you still need to understand how it works to get consistent gains. The first mistake people make is assuming Concreit is just another savings app. It's not. Your money is invested in short-term, income-generating real estate loans. That means returns depend on occupancy, property performance, and loan repayment, not daily market moves. Next, many users withdraw too soon. Concreit pays weekly dividends, but if you cash out early, you might lose part of your return because of the 1% withdrawal fee during the first year. Hold for at least 12 months to maximize your yield. Another common mistake is ignoring the reinvest dividends option. Most people get this wrong. They take out their small weekly payouts instead of compounding them. Over a year, reinvesting can increase your total return by up to 15%. Also, make sure you check the Portfolio Mix tab in the app. It shows you exactly how your money is spread across property types and regions. Diversification within real estate matters. You don't want everything tied to one city or sector. Here's a tip: enable auto invest. This lets you add small amounts weekly, building your portfolio gradually and taking advantage of dollar cost averaging. The surprising truth is that Concreit isn't about getting rich quick. It's about slow, steady growth backed by real assets. So use it like a long-term income engine. Reinvest dividends, stay consistent, and let your money work while you sleep. Over time, you'll be earning passive real estate income without ever owning a single building.